Hello, my friends. So took a little bit break off over the weekend and Monday. Wasn't feeling so great. Kind of messed up some trades. Mentality's a big deal. I had some things going on, but I'm back in it now, guys. I bought some calls yesterday, end of the day. Sold them just a little bit after the close for a little bit of a profit. I was expecting more, but I sold a little bit early. Now we got some back and forth going on for the next half hour or so. We may get a bit higher up, or probably go a little bit higher up. And then we're going to have a fall from that between like 10 and let's say 11 o'clock. During that fall, I'm going to buy some calls, sell them at the end of the day, or buy more at the end of the day and sell them tomorrow. Depends on what happens at the very end of the day. But as of right now, I've got a few puts that I purchased right around, let's see what time it was. Right around 9:40. I purchased some 470 puts that expire on the 22nd. I plan on either selling those or selling against them to create a spread roughly between probably between 10 and 11, but it could, between 10 and 11, but it could be 10 and 12, between 10 and 12. There's more, it's kind of a murky area there. There is a lot of opportunity between 10 and 12. It looks like it's an opportunity to short and then an opportunity to sell and buy calls. But like I said, we may have a little bit higher to go. Let's see on the 10-minute chart. Yeah, we could have a little bit more higher to go just based on where the RSI is. However, we didn't touch the bottom. So it's kind of like a no man's area here. We're coming up on we're bumping up against the resistance right now, it looks like. Well, in any case, I bought a small amount of puts. I'm going to sell them, like I said, between 10 and 12, probably closer to 10 to 11, and then buy calls right around 12 o'clock. That's where I'm at right now, guys. There's going to be some whipsawing around and some sharp declines off of the highs. However, yeah, we have the high significator card on the overview for this week is the interference card, which is also our pre-market card here. When we saw it last was on Friday. And we did have a high there. Oof. Looked like we were shorting and we were dropping just then. 10-minute charts are a little tricky, but let's see. Let's look back at a 1-minute chart. Computer's really slow right now. Yeah, I think we're probably going to turn around somewhere right around here. So I take notes whenever I like sell something out of doubt or fear, and then I'm like, oh man, I should have held it. I write it down so that I can see. Like the more that I do that, the more I'm going to get in the habit of not doubting. That's when I lose money, is when I doubt, because when I was learning, I had so many mistakes and so many like misconceptions of what was happening as I was learning metaphysics and trading at the same time. And I have some losses that I took that I still remember like they were yesterday, but they were for obvious reasons. I just need to remember that it wasn't that the doubt is what created the loss. So I'm basically training my mind. That's what trade journals are good for, guys. Take notes, because when you stop to think about something, you stop to write it down, it becomes more prominent in your mind and your memory. You're more likely to remember it and learn from it. Trade journals, very important, guys. Highly recommend keeping a trade journal, keeping a detailed trade journal for your own development. Works for me. All right, guys. I'll see you all later. If you like this sort of stuff, hit the like and the subscribe button down below. Spread the word. Let me know what's up. Let me know what you like about this post, and let me know what you want to see in the next one. All right, guys. Good luck. I'll see you all later.